Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's UK weather forecast on Tuesday, the 31st of December 2024. It's New Year's Eve. Weather warnings have been issued by the UK Met Office today. We have multiple yellow warnings for rain, for wind, for snow, and we have an amber warning for rain for central and southern parts of Scotland, valid until 5 p.m. this evening. Heavy rain developing through Monday night and Tuesday morning is likely to cause some property flooding and travel disruption. Blimey. Current situation, a deep area of low pressure is moving in from the Atlantic to west of Scotland, and upper air temperatures are mild. So as we begin this New Year's Eve, much of Scotland Northern Ireland are wet with heavy and persistent outbreaks of rain. There's also a little bit of snow far north of Scotland. Rest of England and Wales mainly dry, but there's a few showers down in the south, and it's windy in the north with gusts going to up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. In some places, 70 mile an hour gusts in the far north of Scotland. Relatively light winds still down in the south. It's a mild start away from north of Scotland, where it's cold, with temperatures between around 6 and 10 degrees. Through the rest of the day, the area of low pressure will push eastwards across Scotland. There'll see outbreaks of heavy and persistent rain this morning through Scotland and Northern Ireland, some torrential rain in places. That wet weather moving down into northern England and Wales through this afternoon. Brighter skies, but with showers will follow along behind the Scotland Northern Ireland, with much of the south and southeast staying mainly dry. Winds will become strong in all areas, 40 mile an hour gusts down in the south, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts in northern and western regions, but at least it will be mild, with temperatures ranging from about 6 to 12 degrees. 12 is 54 in Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, that area of low pressure will start to move away to the east, but another weather system will develop to the southwest. So you're going to find rain, slightly heavy system through Wales and northern England this evening, and then that wet weather turning very heavy and persistent later on in the night through Wales and Midlands and into southern parts of northern England as well. Central, southern, southeast in the same boat you dry, and at the same time, cold air will turn the rain to snow across many parts of central and northern Scotland. A very windy night in the south with gusts up to 50 to 60 mile an hour, 70 mile an hour gusts are possible around these Irish Sea coast, and pretty blustery with the wind up in the north. Very mild night tonight in the south, temperatures holding up at 10 or 11, but a cold night for Scotland with a widespread frost, ice and snow. Tomorrow, New Year's Day, we'll see that weather system moving away to the east and its front shunting to the south. So we're going to have heavy and persistent rain moving southwards across England and Wales through morning. Could be a squall line in there as well, some very strong winds and torrential rain possible. That wet weather will then push down into the south and southeast and move away, followed by brighter skies and colder air with snow showers into Scotland and some of them running down the eastern coast as well. The strongest of the winds will be transferring southeastwards with that wet weather as well, so behind the rain the winds will be falling lighter and temperatures will drop through the day. So we'll start off in the south and in the southeast at around 10 or 11, and there we'll finish up at about 5 or 6, and for Scotland the temperature will probably stay around freezing all day. Into a completely different air mass on Thursday with winds coming in from the north. That will bring a lot of dry weather, but snow showers for Scotland, a few snow showers around the coastal areas as well. A bitterly cold day on Thursday with temperatures staying around freezing all day from the Midlands northwards, and only up to 3 or 4 degrees at best down in the far south. A ridge of high pressure starts to develop on Friday. That should bring quite a bit of dry weather with it. A few wintry showers are possible. Another cold day after a very cold night on Friday, and then into Saturday when it stays cold under a transient ridge. Still some snow showers in Scotland, otherwise mainly dry with sunshine, and those temperatures are looking really chilly as well, only 2, 3 or 4 degrees at best, and there'll be a widespread frost early and late. And that's the weather for this New Year's Eve. You enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching.